Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I have a box opening from Watchgang. And yes, I know it has been forever since I've done anything on the channel. I honestly was thinking about stopping altogether. I skipped a month of Watchgang. I have 3 sitting here to open up. This one I believe was from January. And I do kind of miss it and I want to get back into it. So if you like the channel and like what I do, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications, and, put a comment below. Tell me to keep going. Today I've got on my Boulder Venture Automatic. This was a Watchgang watch actually, I don't know how many months back, but I'm going to do a follow-up review on this one, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We'll go ahead and start opening this up. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company. You pay a fee, you pick your level, pay a fee, you keep the watch. The only tier level I still subscribe to is the black tier level, which is, for me, the $100 tier level. I believe at this point they're charging $150, but if you sign up, there's always promos and discounts, so you can get a little bit better of a deal for your first month or two. And if you are looking for promo codes and discount codes, make sure you check in the notes below. I have discounts for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast, and the Electricianz. So it looks like we have an Edma, which is one that I can honestly say I've not heard of and have not received from Watchgang, which is crazy because I might be one of the longest, if not the longest, Watchgang subscriber that still is a part of Watchgang. All right, let's take a look at what we've got. Ooh, now actually, let's pull the plastic off of that so we get a little bit better look. I'm digging the overall case design and the color on that dial. Now, sometimes in my watch room here, it's a little hard to tell. I can't tell if that's gold or if it's yellow or if it's a little bit of both. So this one might end up having to go out in the sunshine to get a little bit more natural look at the color there. So there's not actually a lot of sun left outside today, but getting it out into some natural light, you can see that that dial is actually gold. And so far, I am really digging this. I threw it on wrist. I have a roughly 7-inch wrist to give you a little bit of a idea on the size of this one. It's got a pretty chunky case. The thickness looks like it's pretty thick. This one is an automatic, and I think that this is actually a really cool, I'm stuck on the bush, a really cool piece from Edma from Watchgang. I totally think this one was worth my subscription price. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.